everyone, my name is Kelsey, and today we're going to work on making sounds with our mouthpiece and the neck of our saxophone, and then attaching and making sounds with our actual saxophone. So first we're going to go through where you're going to place the mouthpiece on your lips. You're going to take your finger and place it right here on your lip. Then you're going to push it back like that, so that it's rolled over your teeth. So you feel your lip between your finger and your lower level of teeth. And you're going to blow like by pinching in the sides of your mouth. Next, we're going to take our saxophone and we're going to put that right where our finger was and roll it back. And you're going to place your teeth on the top of the mouthpiece with your lip over it. And then you're going to pinch your lips together on the sides and you're going to blow. So you're going to go. Can you try that? So now we're going to do it, and we're going to change the pitch. And the way you can do that is by closing the sound off from the bottom. So your turn. Why don't you guys will do a repeat after me. Follow my pattern. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum. One more time. And bum, 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 bum. Let's try that one more time. I don't even know how I did that. Your turn. Ready and go. Do 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 do. One more time. Do 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 do. Good job. So next, we're going to take our saxophone head, or neck, and mouthpiece, and put it into the body of the saxophone. We have to remember to loosen up our screw so that we can get our mouthpiece and our neck reconnected to our instrument. And tighten it so they don't move. And now we're going to work on putting that all together and playing on our actual saxophone. So we're going to put the mouthpiece on our lip, twist it back, ready, and good job, you guys. That's how you make a sound out of your saxophone.